All right, here you're going to see a very unique pocket of Springfield and take that in from the initial shot. So 8 Windsor circle, slightly more of an oval, I would say, but either way, heavily European influenced, very, very cool design, and just a beautiful house in general. So you'll see us flying around, see exactly, and it's a unique one because it is a single family home, but you're technically connected right there in the middle right, I'll say. And you'll see it in the backyard on the boots in the ground video. So you do have a 1-car garage, and really you have everything you need. So just kind of unique because these houses aren't really commonplace. So I quite frankly think in the location in Springfield and what you have to offer here, it's impressive. So here we go, you'll see the roof. We're gonna fly all around Springfield, and actually, spoiler alert, there is a park not far away. So that is technically within walking distance. The train is right there, so ease a commute wherever you have to go. The Wawa's not far. I know that's always a Delco treat, but in general, it is just, situated perfectly, in my personal opinion, in Springfield. So it has all that it has to offer and a real sense of community here. So definitely drive by, check it out. Hopefully the drone footage and the aerial drone we have here will just give you a taste of it. And by the way, at the end of this video too, we're gonna add a lot more. So a lot more of the neighborhood so you can get a true sense and see it before you see it is kind of the motto we try to use here. So just gonna bring you down. It is on the left-hand side there and get you right to the front door and show you, honestly, everything soup to nuts on the inside. So without further ado, let's take it from there and start the inside tour. All right, here is a gem. So 8 Windsor Circle in Springfield, PA. And got to show you the street because this whole area here is set up the same way. And you're not going to see, well, you are going to see it in other places, but not all the time this just type of craftsmanship and just old world style. So Holly's listening, also Keller Williams. Wanted to get a video for her and honestly to help everyone see the finer points of what's going on here. So take that in, very, very unique. This goes all the way around. So if you haven't seen this, I've lived in Delaware County basically my whole life. I've driven by here, I forgot about it. So look at what we have here. Absolutely amazing. So it goes around the circle, but look at how all these are designed, right in the middle of Springfield here. And I'll speed it up and get you in. But this is absolutely remarkable. So this one's gonna need a little bit of work, but again, that's to be expected for something in this range. But the bones, from what I can tell, are fantastic. And remember, everything I'm saying here is, my own personal opinion. So obviously do your own due diligence. But look at that. Fantastic. I'm gonna stick outside for a bit, go around, then we're gonna go throughout, and as always, in the beginning, we always have a little bit of drone footage, and then in the end, we'll add some too. But look at this. Oh, hello, how are you?
Hey, how are you?
Just gonna go all the way around here. Should be a radon remediation system. We'll check that out in the basement. Backyard. Fenced in. Look at this. And it's not just here, it keeps going. So you can see. So there you are. Take you inside the back door. Not very customary, but I'll show you how that goes. So patio here. And again, for me, this is the first one I've seen in this circle. So I'm gonna be taking it in as, as I show it to you. So here we go into the kitchen. So good sized kitchen. Just lock that behind me. I'll spin you around so you can see. There you are, a lot of space over there. They have this table here which works quite nicely. And then, pantry. So as far as the space, everything here is what you see. So updated stove and microwave. And we'll pull you back around, and here's the dining room. Notice the hardwood floors. And that walks out too to that patio. We'll stick on this main level. So here's technically your front door if you come in from there. Do you have a fireplace? And this room is massive. Absolutely massive. So I'll show you everything real quick. Glass knobs, assuming I'm strong enough to open it. All right, closet into powder room with the exposed brick. That is nice. So I'll back you out, spin you all the way around. And I thought this nook was really cool too for an office, where I want to say a mini man cave or woman cave. But look at this. So really nice too, especially with that brick. And by the way, when I met the neighbor over there and said hello, this door right here will take you out to him. So let's keep that locked. Even another nook here, if you want, multiple office setups, one there and one here, that could work. And with these doors being closed, actually would help, cancel out some of that noise. So that is the whole first floor. Just so you can see it from this angle. Spin you around, let's head on up. By the way, you do have crown molding in here too. So it really does pop. All right. Side window. This is Berber carpeting, but I would imagine underneath all of this is hardwood floors like we see here. So we'll verify that. So we're gonna call this bedroom number 1. There you are. I'm gonna back you out and we're gonna go into bedroom number 2. Look at this. Very nice. And the closet's gonna be right there. Fairly deep. Back you out. And bedroom number 3. Wow, that whole wall is essentially a closet. And then, we're not gonna go up there yet. But remember, we're up to bedroom number 3 and bedroom number 4. And this would be the primary bedroom. Oh, look at this. I did not catch this from outside. I'll see if I can. Nice little balcony. You can see that roof. Try to back in this corner. Good size. We have a closet here. Look at that. And a closet here. And I'll tell you what, just a little bit of advice. If you're looking to add another bathroom, somewhere in that vicinity would make sense. Especially because the plumbing for the main bathroom here is right there. So, that would work. Actually, this was updated over the years, by the way. That's definitely a newer toilet, vanity. So, little linen closet. Now we're gonna head up those sneaky stairs so you can see all that this house has to offer. And look at that. I mean, just look at that. Kind of does look like an English courtyard. So up we go. The light was already on. I will turn it off. Oh, wow. True walk-up attic. Plenty of storage. Look at this. A lot of stuff here, which is good news for storage. So you can do the same thing. And by the way, that's just one side of it. If I spin you around, it goes, I don't know, about 12, 13 feet that way too. So there we are. Very, very cool. We'll head on down without falling. And we'll go explore the basement. So here's a shot of this. Remember, 4 bedrooms. So 1.5 baths so far. I would say down the road, have someone figure out a way to get it into the primary bedroom. And again, that's my personal opinion. I would go that route. So here we are heading down to the basement. Oh wow. So I noticed right away, high enough ceilings. I'm 5'10", plenty of ceiling height. See what we got going on here. Looks like a sump pit. So newer water heater, it's a Rheem. It's a Well McLean. That looks newer too, and they last almost forever. Remember, gas fed here for both of those. We have a shower down here, cool. Got a shower, and your laundry's over there. And I believe that's it. Behind me is just closet space. There you go. So you get a footprint in the basement. Plenty of ceiling height here. Great for a workshop. Again, my personal opinion. But that is it for the actual tour of the house. So there you go. Check it out. So I'll leave you right, actually I'm gonna walk you out the front door. Leave you in what I'm gonna refer to as the courtyard. There you go, because I don't think we walked up to the front. And there you are. Talk about style. All right, we're gonna take to the skies.